This is a project file from older Visual Designer software. It stores the UI layout. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's check the layout. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective VD file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A VD file is a Visual Designer project file used by various visual design software applications. It contains all the elements of a design project, including images, text, vector graphics, and layout information. This file format allows designers to save their work in a way that can be easily opened and edited later, preserving all the design choices and settings. VD files are typically proprietary to the specific visual design software they are associated with. The internal structure of the file can vary depending on the software's capabilities and features. These files often support layers, masks, and other advanced design elements. Compatibility between different versions of the same software is also a key consideration. The native handling utility for VD files is CorelDRAW by Corel Alludo. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows can show the video in built-in players, while creative editing requires video-specific software. To start the process, right-click your VD file and select Open With. If you have CorelDRAW installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If your VD file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific VD error. First, use Vensim. Open the file using Vensim, the required application for the system dynamics data. Next, check version. Ensure your Vensim version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to TXT. Use the software's export function to save the data as a universal format like .txt. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.